Today on How To Blinds, we'll be showing you how to install your illusion blind. First, we'll mark out our drill holes to fit the brackets. Each bracket drill hole position must be at least 75mm from both sides of the recess. Now we can drill our holes using a 6mm drill bit and insert our plugs. Your illusion flat pack will include your wall brackets, Vogue headrail, louvres, hangers and your child-safe wand. The first component we'll need are the brackets. Screw in your brackets ensuring the tab is between the blind and the window frame. Before we install the cassette, we'll reference where the bracket clips onto the headrail. Line up the front groove of the cassette with the front lip of the brackets and push upwards to clip in. Now we can prep and hang our louvres. Peel the tape off your two-part hanger and clip onto the hanger already on the first louver. Now our first louver is prepared, we can hang it onto the carriage trucks, starting from the left-hand side. We'll then take our next louver and clip the two louvers together via the two different hangers. Once clipped in, you can hang the louver and do the same for the rest of the louvers. When you reach the final two carrier trucks, it's time to peel the tape off your remaining hanger and attach it to your final louver. Clip in your final louver as we've done before, and then clip into the final carrier truck. Finally, we can attach our child safety wand and check operation of the blind. And that's how to install and hang your illusion blind. Thanks for watching, and remember to like and subscribe for more on How To Blinds.